Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. I'm here to show you an exciting new product. This is the Extar Smart LED brake light pedals. These are super cool, and they've changed my whole view about e-bike safety and bike safety in general. These are going to make sure that you're seen on the road. So honestly, I think this is a must-have accessory for you e-bikers out there. This is going to give you complete 360-degree coverage, so you are seen on the road. They've actually increased the visibility from previous models by 57%. These things are super bright. And they've actually included something really cool. You actually mount this on your handlebars, and you can actually turn on turn signals on your pedals by just hitting the right or the left button. And I'm going to show you how that works in a second. They've actually increased the platform of the actual pedal by 25%. So you get a nice area for your feet to touch the pedal and be able to pedal without your feet slipping off. Guys, these will last up to 30 hours. And actually the really cool part is, instead of micro USB that most of these companies are sending out with their pedals, this is actually USB-C, which we're really psyched about because these are very reliable. They don't break. They'll hold up for the lifetime of the product. And this is split into two, so you can charge both pedals at the same time. These pedals also have a weatherproof rating of IP65. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the pedals. All right, so if you look here, there is a power button. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold that down. All right, so that is going to be our left pedal, and we're gonna turn the right pedal on as well. Guys, check out how bright these are. Look at that. These are super bright, and look at how it's changing too. The white light is gonna stay in the front, and then when it flips over, it turns red. So red is the color that people behind you are gonna see, and then the white light is going to be what your headlight is putting out. So really, really cool. Guys, check that out. That is just really cool technology. So that red light is always going to be behind you. Follows the same color scheme as a brake light. And the white light is going to be the same color scheme as your headlight. Same thing with the other pedal. That is just so cool. So installing is super easy, super standard, just like any other pedal. Take this cover off. You just remove your other pedals, put these on instead, and you're ready to roll. And then as you pedal, those lights are gonna change. Guys, I'm blown away by this technology. This is game changing. This is gonna make sure that you're seen on the road. So check this out. So you mount this piece on your handlebars, and then when you hit left, guys, check that out. That is so cool. So this is gonna blink like a turn signal. So if you're turning left, your left pedal is going to blink like this. And guys, these are super bright, brighter than any turn signal that we've seen on an e-bike so far. And then we'll press the right button, and your right signal will turn on. Guys, really, really cool. Once you're done, just hit that signal again, and that will turn off and go back to the white and red. You also have a strobe button, this little button down here. If you hit this, your red lights are going to blink. If you hit it again, it'll actually change the blink pattern. It'll go slower. Then you hit it again, and I think they're actually less bright. We'll hit it again. Yeah, there we go. So they're back to the regular brightness. But guys, we've never seen anything like this. We're super impressed with this technology, and we think that every single e-bike should have these installed. What we're going to do is we're going to put a link in the description below so you guys can check these out. I think anybody will benefit greatly from having these on their bikes. I'm telling you, there are so many added benefits. Make sure that you're seen out there. Make sure that people know where you're turning with this nice turn signal feature. Guys, we think this is a fantastic product. If you guys have any questions about this product, please leave them in the comments below. We'll be more than happy to answer them for you. But until next time, thank you for watching, and peace out.